Afternoon all. So you may or may not know I swapped to a Session, and the Sessions have exposed microphones, so the wind noise was pretty much unbearable. There's two mics, one on the front, one on the back, and as soon as you get over a few miles an hour the wind noise is horrendous. So I've been using what they call a wind slayer, which is just this foam sock that goes round it, but it's starting to rip and it's a right faff because whenever you want to charge it or plug it into the computer or do anything, you've got to take it all out, and that's why it's ripping. And it's whenever it rains or gets muddy, it's just filling with water, so it's a bit rubbish. So I'm going to try get that to focus. Where's my focus button? So there's basically these sticky things that stick on the GoPro, and then on either side of the GoPro, on the sticky thing, you put these fluffy things which are going to stop the sound. So let's get cracking. So Ross, who actually runs Trail Rider MTB YouTube channel, he kind of gave me the link to these, and he's got a video from way back when. Is it way back when? Don't know. He's got a video that shows you how to do it, so I'll put a link into Ross's channel because he actually makes some really nice edits. He does a mixture of edits and vlogs, and some of the edits he does, they're really smart. There's one from Can It Chase, I think it's called Golden Hour. Just the sun's going down, so obviously the light's lovely. He's got a gimbal, really smooth footage, it's just really pretty. So I'll put the link to that video up, and I'm going to pop this down and just crack on doing this quickly. I don't want to cover the mic up with the thing, but I don't want the actual sticky stuff in the corner of the shot the whole time. Oh, these scissors are cack. There we go. So I managed to get it round speaker hole. There's not much of it intruding on the lens, so fingers crossed you won't see it at the corner of the lens. But I do use super wide, so we'll see. You can see some of the wind slayer on the side. GoPro's going to look ridiculous with this fluffy thing on. Doesn't he look cute? He's got a little hairdo now. Do the one on the back. Well, here we go. One GoPro Session with deadcats on. It looks absolutely retarded now. So yeah, I thought it looked bad with the wind slayer on. Looks even worse now, and there's just hair constantly coming off it. So hopefully that's not going to get on the old lens, but we'll crack on, give it a go, see how it is. I can always just rip it off and order another wind slayer because they're only like £2, but we'll see how we get on in the next video.